Hey Project Fam, welcome back to Projects and Problems. Today I wanted to share something a bit different with you guys. I've been running this channel now for a few years and I realized I never really told you why I started making these videos. I'm going to be sharing a little more of my story in the videos to come, but here's a quick overview. I started Projects and Problems right after COVID hit. Like many of you, I found myself confined to my home going bonkers. I needed a project. I needed something to do. I wanted a project that I could do in my garage, something that would keep me busy and bring me joy at the same time. And that's when I turned my love for projects and building to include some cars. My channel is different from most car rebuilders because I don't have a pocket full of money to spend on these projects. Most of what I do is DIY and on a real budget. But that's the fun part, right? Kind of figuring out how to make things work with what you have. I buy from salvage auctions and rebuild in my garage. Using this process, I currently own two amazing project vehicles, a 2012 BMW 750xi and a 2004 Porsche 911 C4S convertible. Rebuilding and working on these cars, man, it has been a labor of love. Like, it's not easy, but the sense of achievement I get from taking something broken and kind of making it whole again is indescribable. And that's what I wanted to kind of share with you guys on this channel. Kind of the highs, the lows, and everything in between. I wanted to talk about my projects and my problems. So thank you again for being part of this journey with me. Your support means the world, and I can't wait to see where this adventure takes us next. If you're new here, welcome to the Projects and Problems family.